Hello everybody, we are back at it. I think that's how I start all my videos at this point. It's another commute with yo boy, Tommy boy, MotoThom. And we are going to work. Just like we do every morning. A little rambling to myself. Some lane splitting. And yeah. That's it. Hopefully. I thought about singing for you guys this morning, but figured I would spare you. Some of you have probably not had a bad day, so let's not ruin it for everyone. These tour buses. That's a nice Jeep, man. What do we got up there? We got some ambulances coming through. We'll see how that pans out. I did think of something I wanted to tell you guys this morning, but now that I'm actually here, I seem to have forgotten. That's how it goes, isn't it? Lane splitting is the best. Even though it gets tight from time to time. You just have to take it with a grain of salt. Because let's be honest, as soon as you're past one of these guys, it's practically a clear road ahead for you. Again, as some of you have noticed, I do not lane split for this light. There simply is not enough room. I'm sure some motorcyclist would do it, but not this one. Well, I probably could now that traffic is stopped. But there is not much space up there to actually do this, so it's okay. We can wait. There's no rush. I get through all this stuff much faster than most people anyways. Oh, I had an electric motorcycle there. They're kind of interesting. Instant torque. It's good for off-roading. More dirt bikers should really be on electric, in my opinion. But if it doesn't go ring, ding, 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 they don't want it, right? Yeah, blah, 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 blah. But that's okay. The electric guys will leave you guys in the dust. Quite literally. Man, this left turn is taking a while. Let's see if we can make it on the next one. Squeeze in there at the end. That would be nice. Alright, there's one down. I think half my commute this morning has been sitting at this light. It's like being in a car. But hey, I got to this point pretty quickly, and I'd be at the back of the line if I was in a car. That's what change in a sec. And then we'll just go around them. If they leave enough room for me. This guy behind me is pissed off. Dude, you should have been on a motorcycle. Alright, that Honda should get a go now. There he goes. And then we are next. So today's commute has had a lot less talk than usual, and that's probably not a bad thing, or maybe it is, I don't know. These videos are just mainly for my own enjoyment, and if anyone wants to look at it, then that's just great. I hope you enjoy it. One day I'll actually sit down and create some watchable videos, but that requires having a little time, and I do not have such time right now. Alright, what do we got here? Nothing. Okay. Alrighty. This has been a very relaxing, slow commute. And that's just alright. Oh, we got water down here. Alright, we're here. MotoThom out.